So I'm changing the resonator. There it is. 28-inch glass pack. So it won't be loud, but it'll be grumbly. I have it all disconnected there by the cat. Might do third muffler delete. Or mid-muffler delete. If I can locate some pipe. Yeah. Resonator replacement, a 28-inch glass pack. So this is the exhaust so far. I have the resonator out. Yuck. I have the mid-muffler out. Yuck. I weld that in. Ignore the super professional welds. Don't even look at that one. Then the glass pack. And this one here, and I have sealant on it. That's some JB weld. It's good to like 2,000 degrees, so you know, whatever, that should probably be good. And I ran out of welding wire, so that's it for tonight. Gonna go buy some tomorrow, then get some ceramic coating, paint this up, get it all nice and less crappy, and back on the car. We'll see how it sounds. I have the stock mufflers, and the mid-muffler is deleted. Can't really see it. It's over on the right. And then that big thing down there, that's the glass pack. That's a 28-inch glass pack, so it's comparable to stock, I guess. The stock resonator is 21-inch, so 21-inch resonator, 8-inch mid-muffler, so that's like 29 inches of make it quiet time, although that math isn't accurate. But it's just grumbly. It's like stock, but grumbly. Now it does have the rev limiter at like 4,500, 5,000 RPM. But on the highway, when it gets up to around 7,000 RPM, it just opens right up. But yeah, so that's it. The piece of pipe that I needed was $10. The resonator, or glass pack rather, was on sale for $30. Normal price $50. So I'm at like $40 into this. And then the exhaust sealant, that was $10. So it's like a $50 project. Took me 2 days because I ran out of welding wire, but if I didn't, it would have been a one-day project. I'm gonna be doing a mileage test to see if it increases the MPGs. So, yeah. So far, city driving has already gone up. And that one. Oh. No, it hasn't. It was up. It was at 9. Man, my average city mileage was 9 liter per 100 kilometer, and the average highway was 6. So averaging out between my driving, I was getting roughly 8.5, maybe just a little bit more. So hopefully that goes up now that some of the exhaust restriction is taken care of.